Before you spend a huge amount on a premium diagnostic tool, watch this. Today I'm testing the Autel MaxiSYS Ultra Lite, one of the most powerful automotive scanners Autel offers. Is it really worth your money? Let's find out. If you're new here, I review automotive scanners, diagnostic tools, and real-world testing so you know exactly what to buy for your workshop. Today's spotlight: Autel MaxiSYS Ultra Lite, a lightweight but extremely capable flagship scanner built for advanced mechanics. Let's jump in. Section 1. What's in the box? When you unbox the Ultra Lite, you get the main 12.9-inch tablet, MaxiFlash VCI, Bluetooth/USB, full OBD2 diagnostic cable set, USB power adapter, charging cable, soft touch stylus, heavy-duty carrying case, quick start guide, and warranty papers. Everything is organized neatly, built for everyday workshop use. Section 2. Key features. Let's talk about the real strengths that make the Ultra Lite stand out. 1. Topology mapping. Visual full system scan that shows modules, faults, and communication lines in a network-style layout. Makes troubleshooting much faster. 2. ECU coding plus advanced diagnostics. Supports coding, adaptation, personalization, and module initialization for many brands. 3. Intelligent diagnostics, or Smart Scan. Automatically pulls TSBs, repair guides, fault descriptions, wiring diagrams, relevant test steps. It basically tells you where to check and how to fix. 4. 40+ service functions, including oil reset, EPB, DPF regen, ABS bleeding, SAS, BMS, DPMS relearn, injector coding, and more. 5. Ultra-fast hardware. Qualcomm processor, 12 gigs RAM, 256 gig storage, large bright display for diagrams and data. Section 4. Pros. Very fast and stable. Extremely professional diagnostic power. Clean UI, well-organized menus. Accurate coding and advanced functions. Huge vehicle coverage. Lightweight compared to full Ultra model. Repair information built inside the device. Section 5. Cons. Price is still high for beginners. Some advanced coding depends on vehicle brand. Updates require subscription after 1 year. Section 6. Price. The Autel MaxiSYS Ultra Lite price generally ranges from $3,500 to $4,500 USD depending on region and promotions. Section 7. Final verdict. The Autel MaxiSYS Ultra Lite is a perfect choice for professional workshops, mobile mechanics, diagnostic specialists, or anyone needing fast scanning, coding, and OEM-level functions. If you want ultra-premium performance but prefer a lighter, more affordable alternative to the full Ultra, the Ultra Lite is absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below which scanner you want reviewed next. See you in the next video.